Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's Vlogmas day 18, right? Yeah. It's a new week. It's Monday, start of a new week. Couple days closer to Christmas. And from you saw the title, I'm gonna be doing some cleaning today. It's more like a little bit, I wouldn't say like holiday cleaning, but just regular weekly cleaning and stuff. I'm going to be doing just a few places today. I'm just going to start out really easily today. Well, not easy, but I'm going to start out today because I have some more things to do for the rest of the week. I'm supposed to be hosting a cookie decorating party with just like two of my friends or so. They're supposed to be coming over for us to do that. Hopefully that works. So kind of waiting on one of them to confirm with stuff and whatnot. So I'm just waiting on that. But at the end of the day, still doing this cleaning because I want a clean space. Since exams I haven't really like cleaned up my space, you know, clothes here, yada yada yada. I washed some clothes from last week. Have they been folded? Absolutely not, but we're gonna fold them today too. I'm gonna wash my curtains, change bed sheets, dust, wipe, the whole 9 yards today. And also I'm going to be straightening up the kitchen because the kitchen is where we're going to be doing most of our stuff when they come. But I want to do it, or I want to start doing it from today, so further on in the week I don't really have to worry about it, because I do have some little final stuff to get also, so I would have to go on the road one of these days in the week, which I really didn't want to, but I have to. Have some stuff to pick up, have Christmas presents to pick up from the shipping company and stuff like that. So I do have to go on the road, which is inevitable, but it's fine. We'll do what we have to do early, come back home. So let's get into it first. I'm gonna take out my curtains. Now I would ask my dad to help me, but dad's working right now. So, and plus it isn't hard because I think I was the one who put it up. Yes, it's not hard. I just have to draw back the bed. I took down the curtains. I thought it was gonna be way harder than that, but it's not. It's okay. So I took down the curtains. I'm gonna go wash them now. It's 4 pieces and they're pink too. Yeah, everything in the room just pink. Like, Rafa just work with that for now. So when I wash them, I'm also going to clean off my windows, but I'm not gonna clean it off right now. Should I do that now? I might do that now. I think I might clean off the windows. I have to clean them from the inside and also from the outside. Once I get the curtains into the machine, then I'll know what I'm gonna do next. My curtains are in the washer now. Dad told me that he wiped the outside of all the windows already, which is good. I don't have to wipe on the outside, so I only have to wipe the inside, which is fine. I'll just have to bring down my bed a little bit more to reach to the other side because it's a little wide window, so I have to go to the other side and wipe around there. I also have to vacuum up any dust off of my windowsills and all of that stuff. But before I get into that, I would like to have something playing, not necessarily song or music, but I might just like put a show on to watch while I'm doing this. Am I about to go and watch SpongeBob? Definitely. Okay guys, so got my vacuum. This is the regular vacuum that we use on the floor, but it can be turned into like one of the handheld ones, and it has the little part here, you know, to get like any corners or crevices. So that's what I'm gonna do for the windowsill now. are washed and everything. The rest of them are over there. Cleaned off the window, finished my dresser, wiped the closet windows and that stuff. So I'm gonna put back up my curtains now because it's about 3:50 or so. So I want to put back up my curtains. Water in here. So I'm going to iron them out a little first before I put them up, because I don't want them to have like any crushes, like any crush or anything like that on it, because your curtains are supposed to be, you know, nice and straight and clean and crisp. So that's what I'm gonna do with it now. So I'm gonna get some water into this iron. Guys, it is now nighttime. Hope you can see me. So it's now nighttime. Did I finish most of the stuff that I wanted today? Yeah, for sure, but I didn't finish everything, but that's all right. I finished the rest another day. I did my bed. My bed is now a whole different color. We did full on pink. So this is like my holiday bed sheets, as you would kind of call them. That's why I washed my curtains and everything. So everything now in here is like fully pink. So pink bed sheets, pink pillowcases. I changed out my stuffed animals because I have pink ones too, pink and white ones. And I put the little tinsel on my thing up here, my curtains up here, because I thought it would be a good idea to put it up there, and it's actually so cute. I finished my dresser, all clean. You know, I put my little cute Christmassy tree thingy there, and that is that. Outside of that, the only other thing I did was I cleaned my mirror and I cleaned the closet mirrors as well. So all I have left back to do is just some small touch-ups, but I think I can do those another day, or like maybe a day before or so, because this is just like preparation for my friends coming over, but also okay, hold on, please. Okay, there we go. This is preparation mostly for my friends coming over, but also like a little holiday, you know, cleaning and stuff, to just get in that right mood, because last week I should say, was very tiring and a lot. So this week I'm trying to, you know, freshen up my space and stuff like that. So this is the end of the video today. I also wanted to go into the kitchen to do the little cleanup, but people, it's like as you blink the day done, and me can't explain, but it's like as you blink the day done. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that on another day. Maybe I do it, you know, tomorrow, or maybe I do it tomorrow or the day after that, but we'll see. But I definitely have to straighten up the kitchen, pack away certain things, put away certain things, so I'll be getting that done. I am going to be showing you guys the preparation that I do for the setup, or should I say the setup that I'm going to do, like how I'm going to prepare the stuff, what I got. I haven't gotten everything, which is why I haven't shown you guys the stuff as yet, but I'm gonna get some more stuff, and then I'm gonna show you guys like how I'm gonna set up the table the morning off. Yeah, I'm gonna set up the table and stuff like that, and show you guys like the setup and the layout on the day, and I'm gonna also show you guys like the cookies that we made and stuff like that too. So that's coming up further on, so keep on watching. So thank you guys for watching today's Vlogmas Day 18. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, you know, comment down below and stuff like that, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 19. Bye.